Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has sufficient power and that you can change settings. Unlock the device and open settings. You can tap the search icon and type language or keyboard to speed things up. Once you locate language and input or keyboard settings, tap it. Make sure you identify the active keyboard, Color OS default, Gboard, or another. You need to be in the keyboard settings screen to proceed to autocorrect options. Once in the keyboard settings, look for text correction or typing. Different keyboards label it differently. You will see entries like autocorrection, predictive text, or quick correction. Tap into that section. You need to understand each toggle. Autocorrection modifies text as you type, predictive shows suggestions, and quick correction applies immediate fixes. Decide which behaviors you want off. Make sure to toggle the corresponding switches. Changes take effect immediately for new typing. You now turn off the autocorrection and any quick correction or predictive toggles you identified. Simply tap the switches to disable them. Once off, open messages or notes and type a few words to verify corrections stopped. If autocorrect persists, force stop or restart the keyboard app, and if necessary, clear its cache or data in app info. Make sure you have selected the intended keyboard as default. If problems continue, install.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.